Hello everyone and welcome to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this stunning late 2016, early 2017 Volkswagen Touareg R-Line. This one's a really stunning vehicle, finished in the silicon grey metallic colour. It's a V6 TDI diesel. I'll just open the boot now. This one is equipped with the electric tailgate and spare wheel. You can see the spare wheel there, inflation kit as well, so you've got best of both worlds with that. Also your electric boot can be operated inside the vehicle. Really nice inside for a cold day like today. Take you inside now. 70,313 miles. These diesel Touaregs are really reliable cars and go on for a long time. And of course you do have your full 2 years warranty, 2 years roadside assistance, 142-point check and much more, so that's really great peace of mind there. We'll put some fuel in it for you as well, of course, to get you out of the red or to get you enough fuel to go home. You can see the boot release is there as well. Your R-Line steering wheel, really sporty looking. You can see our R-Line badge there. We'll give it a full valet as well. I have just given it a quick once over for this video and for the pictures as well. Nice storage compartments in the Touareg. You've got a lovely panoramic sunroof that opens, so really easy on these ones. You just twist it around like so. It'll go to there, and then there's a little bit more that it goes back like so, and that's it. And then in the summer you can have that sort of convertible feel, you and the front passenger. So that's really nice. And then obviously in the winter now you can still have that lovely light coming in. You've got the sporty dark headlining. If you do want some shade you can do that. You've got the sun blind operation just here, and you can stop that anywhere along the length of the vehicle. So say if you want some shade for your rear passengers, if you've got kids or pets, you can do that, but you can also bring it all the way across. It's up to you. So I'm just going to put it back. If you hold it down, it'll just go all the way like so. So really easy. This one's got the optical parking sensors, front and rear. You can see as soon as you come off the brake, start going back. You can see there that it'll pop up and it'll do the exact same on the front, so really easy. Pop into park and put the handbrake on and the parking menu automatically goes away. This one's got traffic, DAB radio, great navigation system. It is a really lovely display. This one's also got the off-road mode and on-road mode, so that'll come up in green for the off-road mode. So they are true off-roader 4x4. They're not just the look of an SUV, they are really capable on and off-road and really comfortable, luxurious vehicles, the Touaregs. If you do wish to come down and view this car, you're perfectly welcome to do so. We offer flexible financial options, as well as part exchange is very welcome. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you very soon.